All right, guys, good morning, everybody. Let's do the recap for today. I had a very good day trading on Tesla and Nvidia. Very nice 1 minute open range breakup on Tesla and very nice scalp on Nvidia.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
Tesla short was something that was really nice, but I didn't really stay in the trade. So let's do the recap. All right, so Tesla had their earning yesterday, and it was very disappointing in terms of delivery, operating margin, and everything, and really traded about minus 6% in the pre-market. So what happened here at the open, sold off to this 224.46, which is the low of the pre-market. Here, as you see here, 224, but quickly bounced back above the VWAP and turned out to be a very nice 1 minute open range breakup. And that's exactly what I loved it. So even though a stock was gapping down minus 7%, it was a very nice 1 minute open range breakout. I took it long from 227, popped up 228, 229, 230, all the way up to 230.50 for a very decent $3,000 profit. And then I got stopped out the rest of the break even. And what happened here, it came and then really lost the VWAP with heavy volume, and I decided to take the short on that. So what happened here on the on this, so you know, I went short, came down for the break low of the day, almost at the low of the day. So this is the low of the day. So I came all the way like to the low of the day. I didn't partial, came back up, and I got stopped out the right at the break even. And it was very bad because after that it really collapsed here. So you know, the 223, and it did actually continue going significantly higher. It did come back to the VWAP and again sold off. So it's really weak, and you know, just continuing selling off. We had one level and a daily chart at 220. I think the next level is 217, and then is another level at 215. So you know, that would be really, I think it might be in the next couple of days we might really hit to 212. So that was it. That was really amazing trading on Tesla. And Nvidia was also really very interesting. It was gapping up in the morning about 2%, really had a massive run, almost 2% in the pre-market, sold off at the open all the way to previous day close and bounced back with heavy volume, squeezed up. Look at the volume here at 950 for the break of, again, the pre-market high. So I went long again at 428, popped up to 430, and I got out at the break even. It came back to the VWAP and again continued this really massive run. A lot of people took that trade. Avi, for example, in our community took that $15,000 win on that by trading Nvidia calls. So as you see here is exactly when, you know, I went long again. He went with the calls 175 all the way up to 275. So he made $15,000 profit. That's amazing. So this trading is really nice. The market as index Qs are doing nothing. So as you see, it's completely flat. The QQQ SPY is completely flat. You know, it's doing nothing, but it stocks in play like Tesla, really amazing. Netflix also very interesting. Netflix was gapping up 15%, and then really right now it's trading really very flat. So at around $400, but it was a really nice trading at the open. So stocks in play, again, we're in earnings season. Stocks in play are very active and volatile, and now we are you know, looking forward to every day for more and more earnings. So let's see, for example, go to the trading terminal. Let's see what we're having on the trading terminal. Today earning, we have PM, UNP, BX, and T. After the close, we have TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor is going to be that. There are some, so there is this one. This one is Walmart. No, it's not Walmart. This one is Western Alliance Bankruptcy. Yeah, it's not. But so we're having this with stocks. So yeah, essentially, if you come here, you can see the today's earning after the close. We are having these ones here, and the market is down. So consumer discretionary 1.5%, communication services is up. So kind of we have a mixed market. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Tonight we have all the mentorship sessions starting from 11, and then we go all the way on to the afternoon mentorship sessions, guys. Thank you so much, and have a good day.